You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, the name of this app and channel, which is about a lot of boxing and sports generally. The spelling D-A-Z-N or D-A-Z-N is a bit confusing, but how do you pronounce it once and for all? If you want to learn from boxing, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. The zone, essentially, it's like the zone, you know, a zone, the zone. So it's not DAZN, not DAZN, DAZN, the zone, just like it is the zone. They say, welcome to the zone, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.